What's up, guys? We are back on the MK7.5 GTI sweepstakes, where we're going to give one of you that car, and well, you can't do anything to get entered to win anymore because the sweepstakes ended. It ended on June 30th, so I hope you all got your entries in because we're not accepting any more entries. So the fact is I had more parts than time, so we still have some stuff to do. So even though the sweepstakes is over, we're going to keep updating you on what we're doing. We're going to knock a lot of the remaining stuff out today, and then we'll literally only have a few things left. So for today, we're going to get some more 034 parts installed. For one, their rear sway bar. We've mentioned this before. We've got their front sway bar in, so this will match that and get the thing steering right. We're replacing the trailing arms with their trailing arms that have their own spherical bearings in them, so that'll tighten things up for the trailing arms. Then we've got adjustable toe links, so we can adjust the toe. Their street density rear shock mounts, which I should have installed when I was doing the coilovers, but I didn't, so here we are. I'll put those in today. And then we have camber arms, adjustable camber arms, so this will add some adjustability to the rear and tighten things up significantly. Then beyond that, Powerflex sent us a series of bushings. So we've got control arm bushings all around for the front and rear. So we'll get those in, tighten up the control arms, and then finally we've got our ECS tuning turbo blanket. So that'll keep the heat contained in the turbo, keep things moving quickly, and it'll look really nice doing it. So that's it for today. We're gonna do a bunch of 034 stuff, Powerflex, and then our turbo blanket. So I gotta get cranking. We have no time left, clearly, so let's do it. We got all of our parts installed, threw it on the CHEM alignment rack to get it all dialed in, and it is all dialed in. We have so much adjustment, it is amazing. But we don't have any of is time. We got to get this thing to Waterfest on the 21st, so we're like literally out of time, and I still have some stuff to do. I need to get our stainless steel oil pan on there in place of the plastic oil pan. We need to get our street shield on there, and we need to do a post break-in oil change and get some liquid moly in the engine for the new owner. The other things that we need to do, we need to clean the thing. It's filthy. We need to do a full detail, not only to get it ready for Waterfest, but to get it ready for the new owner. We're gonna hand the keys over at Waterfest, so I'm getting really pumped up about that. So I hope I see some of you guys there, and the rest of you, we'll see you later.